Hi guys and welcome to my channel. So today we have the Freyas cauldron unboxing. So these are subscription boxes for the practicing witch. I get two of them. I get this one's Freyas cauldron and I get the witch casket later on in the month as well. So we have November's Freyas cauldron. Let's take a look, guys. Let's take a look. Oh, didn't want me to get in this month, does it? Okay, so I'll look at that later because I don't like to spoil what's in there. Oh, loads of white rotsets. Right then, what have we got? Oh, I like that. Freyas cauldron, sun and moon astrology table tile. Oh, I like the sound of that. Let's see if I like the look of that. Oh, it's exciting, guys. Exciting. Oh, this way. Oh, I do like that. Oh, I really do like that. Oh, I'm impressed with that. I do like that. Guys, I do love these. I get so excited. It feels like Christmas every month. It really does. Snow and ice quartz crystal. Guys, I don't think I've got snow and ice quartz. I think I might have, but I don't. Let's see. So we kind of got a nice little bag, a nice little fancy bag with it. Is this snow and ice quartz? I'm not sure even if I've heard of that. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Guys, how lush is that? Oh, I'm obsessed. Oh, look at that. That's my number one crystal right now, I'm telling you now. So that was snow and ice quartz. Feared of snow quartz. Let me just put it back in the bag because I want to get some intentions into that rock in a bit. Okay, so we've got some Freyas cauldron dressing oil, moon power. Looks like we're focusing on the moon this month. Let's see where else we've got. Full moon release ritual. Let's take a look what we got in here. Looks like we got a nice ritual. Just for information about the ritual, and I know there's a candle in there. I could feel that. Oh, there we go. Look, we've got a nice silver candle representing the moon. And we've got a nice little moon card in there, and then the information about how to perform the spell or the ritual is in there. So I'll have a proper look at that later, because I want to hurry up and get through the box. So what herbs have we got this month? Oh, magical herbs, neem leaves. So, oh, these smell nice. Oh, they do. They smell gorgeous. Oh, I'm looking forward to burning these. I am looking forward to burning these. And let's see where else we got here. Oh, more white rotsets. Loads of white rotsets. We've got Moon Goddess. Oh, I tell you what, I'm gonna be doing a nice little Hecate ritual. Looks like I've got everything I need to do it. What's this? Amethyst triple moon pendant. Oh. Oh, guys, look at this. Oh, that is stunning. Look at this, guys. That is gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, that is gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. So that can go back in. Oh, I've got to go back in that bag first. Oh, I'm loving the pendant, guys. I'm loving the pendant. And I like the the fact that it's moon themed this month. I was actually thinking as well, it's going to be a nice powerful month moon-wise. Oh, more astrology here. Mini moon calendar. Oh, that's cool. Shows the moon phases. Let's take a look at this. Oh, I like. Oh, that's brilliant, that is. That is really good, that is. And I've got an astrology course in my car to do as well. So we got some lovely spell candles here as well. It's mad, every time I seem to want to go for astrology or whatever it may be, I always get something to put it in a box. And like I said, I wanted to focus on the moon. So let's see what we got in here. And I believe that is everything. Oh, look at that. Incense burner, is it? Yeah, it is an incense burner. Put an incense cone in there. And we've got a gorgeous incense burner. I do like that. I really like that, actually. Oh, I really like that. Let me just make sure, because last time there was something left behind. So, because all you guys, you always ask me what is in this information. So, it's just basically an inventory of what is in the box, what they give you every month, how to use it, how to do the rituals that's in there. Really good information for your Book of Shadows is in here. And it's got a big write-up there of the snow quartz crystal as well. So it'll tell you all the properties that you need for that. But so yeah, guys, like I said, these are subscription boxes. I get them every month. If you are interested, this one is Freyas Cauldron at www.freyascauldron.com, I think. I know the Witch Casket's always on the box, but there. Yeah, guys, if you want the subscription box, this one is Freyas Cauldron, and I do the Witch Casket as well if you want to check that out. But oh, I'm loving this, guys. I'm loving this. Right, so that's me. Done. Bye, guys.